Guys, thanks for coming back for another episode of Nose Picking. What I've decided to do today is have another stab at my old vintage U.S. government use American brand padlock. I have worked on this some off camera, and beyond that, as much as I hated to, didn't want to, I have spent some time studying the key, and I've learned a few things, which ultimately is kind of the goal here. I am such a beginner. So, but the main takeaway is that this farthest back in the lock pin here is zero lift. There's no, it feels like it's binding when I first go to start picking the lock, but as soon as I move it, it's overset. So that's been kind of my thing that I've learned, is to leave number 5 alone, even though it feels bound and feels like it needs something done with it. This would be a good chance to, get another use out of my Mad Bob's top of the keyway stuff. So I'm going to be using the 1.2 millimeter, and then my Southward medium hook, short hook, I don't know. I only got 2 hooks. It's not the long one. So anyway, let's go ahead and get some tension on here and dig in. So I'm going to start in the back, and of course number 5 feels bound, but it is actually set. So from there, number 4 feels bound, and there's a good click off of 4. Number 3 feels free, number 2 feels free, and number 1 feels bound. Okay, I didn't really feel a click off of 1, but I think, no, there it is, got it. That was a false set, and my tension wrench unfortunately flew out of there. This lock has a lot of wear right here on the edge where the tension wrench tries to bite in. So unfortunately I lose that tension wrench a lot on this lock. Luckily the core is kind of gunky and doesn't turn back on its own, so we're still in that false set there. So I'm back in, and I feel 3 is bound, and I feel a little bit of feedback on 3. He's kind of counter rotating on me ever so slightly. Okay, I got a click off of it. Oh, but dang it. I just overset it and my wrench flew out again. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna reset this baby. Yeah, top of the keyway is gonna be the way to go here. It's so hard to keep the wrench in there because it's so rounded out on that corner. Anyway, we're in. 5 we know is set, just from past experience and looking at the key. Let's see. Okay, there we go. 4. Got to click off of 4. 3's free, 2's free. And click off of 1. Got into the false set there. Okay, now we are on pin 3 and getting that feedback and counter rotation. See if we can set it without sending the tension wrench flying. See, the tension wrench just slipped again. The light tension that I need to pick this spool, but then without losing the wrench, it's ridiculous. There's the counter rotation finally. Okay, we got a good click. Let's see where we're at now. 4 still feel good. Unfortunately, everything feels like it's down at the bottom. I think when I got that spool in 3 set, I'm afraid that I overset it. Okay, yeah. It's so tricky to find the right balance of tension without losing the tension wrench when I'm picking that number 3 after I get that false set. Ridiculous. Guys, I might still not get this lock on camera. Can't tell what's going on in this thing. It's so camera shy. It doesn't want to open in front of the camera. There we go. Come on. There we go. All right. It's just, if I can, when I can get the tension just right on that spool in number 3 is the trick. But there we go. It does have a nice little ball bearing down in there. Not a removable core, unfortunately. I thought it was, because when you look at it, you can see the outline there. But after doing some research on the internet, it turns out that these locks do not have removable cores. So that'll have to do for now. Guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day.